Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can write, debug, and deploy code. A world where AI can independently complete entire software projects. This is the future we're stepping into, and it's happening sooner than you might think. We're not talking about simple automation here, but a sophisticated AI that can make complex decisions and anticipate future steps. Enter Devin, the world's first AI software engineer brought to life by a US-based startup, Cognition. Devin is more than just an assistant, it's a full-fledged software developer in its own right. It can write code to create websites and videos, identify and rectify bugs, and even has its own command line, code editor, and browser. And here's the kicker. Devin doesn't just perform tasks, it excels at them. From acing coding benchmarks to passing engineering interviews, Devin is showing us a glimpse of what the future of software engineering in the AI age could look like. This is not science fiction, it's happening right now, and it's called Devin. Devin is not your average software development assistant. This AI, introduced by US-based startup Cognition, is the first of its kind. Just let that sink in for a moment. An artificial intelligence that can write, debug, and deploy code. But it's not just about these capabilities. Devin goes beyond the ordinary. It's an AI that can independently complete entire software projects. Imagine, if you will, an AI with its own command line, code editor, and browser. A software engineer that doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't ask for a raise. That's Devin for you. But don't mistake it for a simple code bot. Devin is capable of identifying and rectifying bugs in the code it writes. It's not just about writing code, it's about writing correct, efficient, and maintainable code. But how do we know Devin is up to the task? Well, it's not just empty promises and tech jargon. Devin has proven its mettle in the real world. It aced coding benchmarks, sailed through engineering interviews, and has even completed real jobs on platforms like Upwork. Yes, you heard it right, an AI that can freelance. Reflecting on this milestone achievement, Cognition CEO Scott Wu highlighted the complexity of teaching AI to be a programmer. It's not just about teaching code, it's about teaching decision-making, problem-solving, and anticipating future steps. It's about teaching a machine to think like a human programmer and then some. When we think about AI, we often imagine a future where machines replace humans. But with Devin, it's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them. It's about creating a future where AI and humans work together, where AI takes on the heavy lifting and humans focus on the creative, innovative aspects of software development. Devin is not just a software development assistant, it's a fully fledged AI software engineer. And it's here to reshape the future of software engineering. So, where does this leave human software engineers? Is this the end of the road or just the beginning of a new journey? As we delve into the implications for software engineering, we must acknowledge that the advent of AI like Devin brings both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, the efficiency of software development could skyrocket. Devin's ability to write, debug, and deploy code independently means more complex problems can be tackled, freeing up human engineers to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible. On the other hand, we can't ignore the elephant in the room: job displacement. As AI becomes more proficient, there's a risk that fewer human engineers will be needed. But it's crucial to remember that AI, at its core, is a tool. It lacks the creativity, critical thinking, and unique problem-solving abilities that humans bring to the table. Equally important are the ethical considerations. Who's responsible if an AI developed software malfunctions, causing harm or loss? These are questions we must grapple with as we enter this new era. The future of software engineering is here, and it's called Devin. But remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. The key will be learning how to adapt and evolve in this new AI-driven landscape.